Hi guys, how can you create this abstract circle frame effect in Photoshop? First, unlock the background layer. Next, go to Layer, New Fill Layer, Solid Color, and choose a desired background color you like. You can use the same color shown on the screen. Note color code. Drag the original image layer above the solid color layer. Now select the ellipse, draw several circle shapes around the face to create the frame design. Lower the opacity of the image layer so you can easily position the circles. Once you're happy with the placement, restore the image layer's opacity back to 100%. Hold the Shift key, select all the circle shape layers, right-click, and choose Merge Shapes. Now select the image layer, right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Next, double-click the Merge Shape layer to open Layer Style. Enable Drop Shadow and adjust the settings to your preference. I'll use an opacity of around 33% while leaving the remaining settings as shown. Click OK. Now select the clipped image layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Go to Select Subject. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J again to place the subject on a separate layer. You can delete the extra layer no longer needed. Add a layer mask to the subject layer. Select the brush tool with a soft round brush around 29 pixels. Changing the size while removing the difficult part. Make sure the foreground color is white to add subject on and black one to remove the subject. Then carefully paint over the hand or any part of the subject you want to appear outside the circle frame. Like here, I want only right hand to appear on my design. For that I have to brush carefully. Hold Ctrl and click the subject layer thumbnail to load the selection. Select the mask, change the foreground color to black, and paint to hide the unwanted parts until everything looks clean. Now add drop shadow layer style setting for the subject. Also, it will a realistic shadow. Finally, add a new text layer and type your title. Customize the font, size, weight, and color to match your design. To finish the effect, open Layer Style for the text and enable Drop Shadow. Apply the same settings to any additional text layers. And that's it. That's how you can create an abstract circle frame effect in Photoshop.